Just a quick video about my area. I cleaned up all this. We see some other videos that it's piled up to like here. All basically lawn bags and garbage bags for like a lifetime, including there's a whole hamper full of like all these full of trash bags. Like this stuff, and then there's like a whole bunch of these. And much more, because there's a jukebox stuff. And guess what I did? Oh, guess what I did before? I put a bed in here too. I have a bed here. I want to still have that, but let me. Oh God. Yeah, there's the bed. See my other bed, my new bed. So. Yeah, that's the table too. I don't know if I think I probably would have showed you the table and stuff. But that's the other super big thing of bags. And of course, you already saw in the cards. And the calendar is pretty nice. So that's really nice. Oil. The time is. See, the puppies. December 29th. And I'll show you something really quick before I got all that stuff. Yeah, which is, of course, this stuff. Bags and listening to Ame play LA Noir now. So, of course, I have this now. And this is where I keep my phone perfectly, and the whole thing's not moving with the screws and everything. Earpiece, I have an earpiece right here. Listening to this right now. Ame playing it. There's the pup. There's the pups in there too. Because I sprayed it. 1 million something. That's what before. A long time ago, I showed you the scores and everything. I call this iPad, but it's really. So that's what I keep from streaming, and everything goes up here, across there, into front. So everything goes on here. My last year birthday. I bought this and everything. It's still really nice. Scepter and everything. Oh yeah, plus it can't really move because of the nails I put here. Oh yeah, Nico Robin. She is an archaeologist and she's really smart and everything. So, I don't know what this is. Here's the best thing. I found this thing. I thought it was some kind of Jumanji shit going on. I thought this was some kind of Jumanji shit going on. I was like, what did I just found? What did I find? An imager says it's not Jumanji, it's a really expensive micrometer with ranges and things. And I don't even know what the heck it is, but they say it's really nice. They say it's really nice, so it's like, wow, that's a good find. And there's a lot more things too that I have to go through. A lot more things to go through. Put more. See. There's so much things up to here that I showed off before. And then here's my face mask. That's all. That's all to really say. And one last thing. Here's my green screen. I'll put further down the line. And there's it's a U-Fly for my earpieces. I got myself another one of these double pack of things. And here's the Cellar Jupiter, Makoto Kino. It's the schoolgirl thing. It's pretty cool. I like the whole outfit. Like the fashion thing is pretty cool. I'm just a big fan of that stuff. It's really cool. It's almost 5 minutes. I just like the fashion thing is pretty neat. That's nice. There's one button press. So, so bye.